it's Cleo. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do some nice, quick and easy stretches to get ready for dance. So we're going to warm up our legs mainly. So what we're going to do is just kind of stand two knuckles apart, hip width, and you're just going to lean forward and put your hands to the ground. If you can't reach your hands to the ground, that's okay. You can just dangle your arms, and as you get more stretchier or flexier, you can aim for the ground. Hold this for 20 seconds. Now, after you have had that nice stretch in your calves, you're going to step one step forward with your hands so you get a nicer stretch in your hamstring and your Achilles. After you've done those stretches, you're going to start to stretch your inner thighs or your groin. So you can go to a nice second plie, make sure it's a box, and just stretch it out. You can lean side to side. If you don't feel this stretch, and if you're a dancer like me, you can put your hands to the ground and bend your elbows so you get like a deeper stretch. Now, after you've done that, you can turn to the side and put your knee on the ground. So here is where some people get it wrong, when they just stretch forward. It doesn't really like do anything because anyone can do this. My grandma can do this. So what you're going to do, you're going to have a 90-degree angle, sit like this, and you're just going to push your hips forward. This makes you have like a nice stretch in your hip flexor and your quad. Now you've had that nice stretch in your hip flexor, you're going to sit back in your chair. That's what I like to call it, sit back in your chair, and stretch out your hamstring just like you did when you put your hands to the ground in the first one. After you've held this for 20 seconds, you can start to slide in your split. It's okay if you don't have your splits yet, just go where it feels tight and then just work your way down. You should really feel the stretch where you've been doing that first basic stretch, so under your hamstring. And sometimes you can feel it in the back of your quad depending how much you stretched it. But this is pretty easy for me, so don't feel stress at all. Repeat these stretches on the other side for 20 seconds. As you can tell, this is kind of my bad leg, so actually, I'll rephrase that. It's my working leg that I need to go towards. This should feel a stretch in your inner thigh, maybe your hamstring, and your hip flexor. So you're going to come out in a second with your legs nice and straight. And then you're just going to lean to one side, and then come back the other way. So my right arm is going to go underneath, and my other arm is going to touch my foot. You should feel a nice stretch down here and a little stretch in that hip flexor. I meant in that inner thigh. Do this on the other side, so reach that way. Left arm goes under instead. Nice stretch in that side and hamstring inner thigh. So once you've done those stretches on both sides, you can just walk your hands down to get that nice stretch evenly in those legs. When you do this stretch, you want to make sure your knees don't roll in, because doesn't really stretch you in a way. So you want to make sure your knees stay out and you just stretch like that. It's okay if you're not flat, you can work towards it. After you stretch evenly in your legs, you're going to pull through. Now this is where you actually stack over your hips and you're in that nice split position. So I'll go side on with you. So you go in that nice position again, and you'll walk forward and pull through. Make sure your hips and legs are in line with each other. So after your legs are all nice and stretched, we're going to do some torso stretching. So you're going to do this side, have a nice stretch going down your arm, all the way down. Then you're going to swap and repeat on the other side. Hope you guys are feeling nice and warm and ready to do what you want to do. So I think that just leaves us here. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and click that grey bell to get notified every time I post a video. Peace out.